Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the speaker's model and ensuring it has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Open the Bose Music or Bose Connect app and sign in so the device can be identified. Once done, make sure your phone or PC is on the same Wi-Fi network or paired via Bluetooth to the speaker. This enables the app to detect available firmware updates automatically. Follow on screen prompts to continue to the update screen. When the app detects a firmware update, tap Update and review what changes or fixes are included so you understand the benefit. You should keep your phone or PC close to the speaker and avoid heavy network use that could slow the download. This preserves a stable transfer. Start the install and monitor progress. The app will show steps and percentage. If prompted, grant permissions. Do not close the app or turn off the speaker until the installation completes fully. After the update finishes, confirm the new firmware version in the app and restart the speaker if the app recommends it. This applies updates fully. If the update failed or stalled, first restart the app and your phone or PC, then power cycle the speaker and retry the process. This clears temporary glitches. Make sure to try again on a different Wi-Fi network if necessary. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort, and remember that resets
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.